Hello and welcome back to Talking Freight, the weekly freight series brought to you by Ceresys, a third-party logistics company focusing on transportation management solutions. In today's Talking Freight episode, we continue our look at the logistics technology trends that will shape 2018. In our first video on this subject, which you can click on up here or in the description below, we address the 5 automated logistics technologies that will serve as the foundation of the transformation to the digital logistics and supply chain landscape. But in this Talking Freight episode, we'll address how shippers and logistics providers will lean on 6 more trends to make gains in the months to come. All right, let's talk some freight. The first trend, the logistics robots market will dominate in 2018 and beyond. We may see, as we are now in manufacturing, the rise of cobots, or collaborative robots, as coined by our good friends Rethink Robotics. And man, they have an awesome blog, so if you want to check out cobots, go to Rethink Robotics. We'll put the link to their blog right in our description. So, collaborative robots. The market is ready for the use of logistics robots to work in conjunction with the Industrial Internet of Things, also known as Industry 4.0. Cobots are involved in packaging, picking, shipping, delivery, and visibility throughout logistics, but they are rapidly becoming key players in the artificial intelligence and data analytics movement as well. By the end of the year, up to 30% of all new robotic deployments will use cobots that operate 3 times faster than existing robots deployed at the end of 2016. The next trend in logistics technology. More companies will explore last-mile delivery solutions. The demand for faster last-mile delivery is causing some major problems for shippers trying to implement last-mile programs. For many retailers, this will be difficult, requiring significant investment into fleets, drivers, technology, and additional resources to handle last-mile delivery. Last-mile delivery is not exclusive to home delivery, and it can include delivery to stores. Ship to store and pickup at a store are last-mile delivery options, and shippers can leverage existing brick-and-mortar stores to offer faster delivery to consumers. As a result, stores as a distribution center will become more popular through 2018, turning to modules that bolt on to a TMS, such as in our Ceresys Radar, to handle last-mile deliveries within the same portal as all other surface transportation modes, such as LTL. The third trend. Problems with autonomous delivery, unfortunately, will become evident. Autonomous trucks and drones are the 800-pound gorilla in logistics technology trends. They are a solution to the concerns of over-the-road driver shortage, and this trend of drones and autonomous vehicles may save big bucks for logistics service providers in the future. Unfortunately, self-driving trucks and cars are not yet widely available. Even when they can perform as their name implies, chances are good that regulatory agencies will act. This will result in added cost of using driverless vehicles, changes to insurance premiums, and more. And, unfortunately, as we saw just this week, the first death as a result of an autonomous vehicle occurred, which will undoubtedly hinder progress in this front. The fourth trend. Logistics safety and cybersecurity systems will be top priorities. Recent hacks into nationwide companies have revealed potential cybersecurity threats throughout some of the most secure organizations around the globe, including Equifax and others. Furthermore, pushback against the new administration has led some states to adopt even tighter regulations governing safety standards in the workplace, even if on a local level. As a result, logistics providers will be focusing more on safety. Increased demand for a faster turnaround will also have an inescapable result of increasing the risk of accidents in the transportation process. This will require the use of more advanced analytics to track employee performance and adherence to safety standards. Our fifth trend, logistics service providers will increase mobile app adoption. The rise of new technologies and the Internet of Things will encourage logistics service providers to increase adoption of mobile apps. There are apps for trucking miles driven, freight sent, freight waiting to be sent, inbound orders, marketing leads, customer service interactions, and more. Logistics companies can leverage information and capabilities via an app to reduce demand and effectively manage it. Freight sharing apps are one of the major app categories that will see a significant boost throughout 2018. And then our sixth trend, TMS adoption rates will soar. The use and adoption of transportation management systems, or TMS, is expected to climb in 2018 and beyond. A TMS has the value of being a hub for all logistics interactions and processes, including route planning and optimization, freight auditing and payment processing, carrier management, and more. Furthermore, TMS applications have moved from terminal-based installs to cloud-based platforms, reducing delays in implementation and eliminating bottlenecks from downtime, improving cybersecurity at the same time. As a result, more companies will adopt such solutions throughout the year to keep up with increased demand and to integrate into the increased use of the other aforementioned logistics technology trends. Finally, logistics will continue a technology overhaul throughout 2018. Logistics is poised to reap the benefits of technology in the coming year, and understanding these logistics technology trends and their implications will be key to success or failure. Consumers are only demanding more, and technology is the solution service providers have been looking for to move more product with fewer resources. Well, that's it for this week's episode of Talking Freight. We hope you enjoyed it and walked away with some great insight on how these trends will shape shipping in 2008. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the little bell icon so you don't miss a single episode and you get a notification whenever we publish a video. Also, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below on what technology trends that you see coming around the logistics industry in 2018. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down there in the comments. We'll answer it. As always, don't forget to like us on social media as well. We're on all of these platforms. We are constantly sharing info from experts in our industry. And lastly, if you'd like to get our videos and blogs emailed to you, visit us at Cerasis.com and enter your email address in the box towards the bottom of the page. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.